Good day everyone. So our lesson outcome examine the properties of materials to determine whether useful or harmful. So the lesson to how to figure out if materials are helpful or harmful by looking at their characteristic.
Good morning, class. I am Ira Michelle Timusa Ayala, and I am one of the reporters today. And before we begin our discussion, I have some picture to show you, and you need to identify if it is useful or harmful. So, for the first picture, okay, Honorio, can you identify what is, if it is useful or harmful? Okay, thank you. Harmful. In the second picture, can you identify, Lopez, if it is useful or harmful? Okay, thank you. Useful. And the next picture, can you identify tumulak? Okay, thank you. Harmful. And the next picture, can you identify Iruso? Okay, thank you. Useful. Okay, for the last picture, can you identify Bermejo? Okay, thank you. Useful. Okay, so thank you for your participation, class. So do you observe, class, why I'm asking you if it is useful or harmful? No? Okay. Because, class, our topic is about physical and chemical properties of matter. And useful and harmful. So later on, mahibalaan na nato na siya, masabtan na nato na siya kung unsang pasabot ana. Okay, before we proceed our discussion today, let's have our activity, class. So our activity is about household materials useful or harmful. You only need to do is identify if it is useful or harmful at your home and give explanation or reason why it is useful and harmful. Okay, for group 1, your assigned topic is insects spray, and for group 2 is food seasoning. For group 3 is muriatic acid. And last, for group 4 is detergent. Okay, I will give you 3 minutes to do that. After that, I will present your activity. Okay, present na to ang inyong activity, class. Okay, name of product. Inyong name sa inyong product. So, useful ba siya or harmful? So, explain and give a reason nga ng harmful or useful. Okay, unahan na to sa group 1. So, ang ilang name of product is insect spray. Okay, useful sa ilaha. Ang ilang explanation or reason is it contributes to protection of public health by helping to prevent the transmission of viruses that insect can carry. Okay. For group 2 is ilang product is food seasoning. Useful daw. So, ang ilang reason or explanation is it is used to add flavors in meal. Okay. So, sa third group is muriatic acid ilahang product. So, ang ilahang gidutan is harmful. Okay, why kaya? So, explanation or reason nila. It is commonly used as a strong non-oxidizing acid in industrial segment. Example, food processing, oil and gas aciding, chemical production. Okay. In fact, working with it poses numerous health risks. Momentary skin exposure can cause severe bones, inhaling its foams can burn lungs and nose lining, and contact can also cause irreversible eye damage or blindness. However, you should never reach for muriatic acid lightly. Okay. So last is group 4. Ang ilang name of product is detergent. So ang ilang kuan is useful daw ang detergent. Why? Nara. Because it is substance that used for cleaning, it's powerful cleanser that can break up dirt, oils, grease in clothing or in dishes. Okay. Class mo nini inyong activity nga nahimo na ay tag-as nga explanation or reason na apoy tama-tama, na apoy gamay lang siya. Pero okay na kayo siya guys. Okay. Thank you guys sa inyong participation sa pag-activity na to. Okay class. Karon sunod sa ako mahibalaan na nato kung unsa gyud ang usa ka importante unsa ang useful or harmful kay i-explain ni Iro. So, okay class, thank you sa inyong pag-participate sa ako karon. Hopefully nga naamoy na sabtan. Thank you.
Good day everyone, I am Allen J. Airoso. So today, we're going to discuss about the useful or harmful materials. And okay, let's proceed the discussion. Useful or harmful materials. Multiple materials product are beneficial to man because of technology. Because of technology, raw materials are transformed to different product that have improved man's way of life. Ang ibig sabihin nito ay when we say useful and harmful materials is there are so many products are helpful to people because of the technology. Technology turns raw materials into useful item that make life better. But sometimes these helpful materials can harm animal, plants or environment. So this can happen when we use the wrong way. So it's very important to know the properties of household and consumer materials. Future teachers, okay, as a future teachers should understand these basic ideas. So household and consumer materials can be grouped into, first is cleaning product or mga panlilinis, halimbawa sabon panlaba or laundry soap, dishwashing liquid, floor cleaner, and bleach. And the second one is food preparation item or panghahanda sa pagkain, kaldero at kawali, chopping board, knife, measuring cup, blender or food processor. And the third one is beautification product or pampaganda, like just a shampoo, conditioner, lotion, lipstick, powder or foundation. So and the fourth one is building materials or pang construction, like kanang semento or cement, bato or hollow blocks, bako, kahoy or at yero. And the fifth one is other household item or ibang gamit sa bahay, upuan at mesa, table, electric fan or aircon, light bulb, curtains, trash bin or basurahan. Those are the household and consumer materials that we can use in our daily life. And so materials found in product like metal, container, ceramic, rubber, glass or plastic have specific properties. So ang ibig sabihin nun is the product like metal, ceramic, rubber, glass or plastic have a special feature. People use these features to make them useful in a different way. So materials are enhanced or upgrade by technology. So ang ibig sabihin naman ito ay sa technology makes material better. For the example, it has improved things like soap, cleaner product, seasoning, medicine, plastic, paint, and beauty products. This makes life easier and more comfortable. And material have beneficial effects at home and in the environment. So these materials help at home. They can make cooking faster, keep food fresh, and help keep our home clean and smelling good. However, materials can sometimes do harm. But sometimes materials can be harmed, so they may contain dangerous chemical that can cause rashes, sickness, or accident if you use wrongly. Chemical can contaminate food, and when properly disposed of our even use, they can cause death. So sometimes the chemicals kay can position food or cause death pag pagmamali nato siya paggamit. So dapat kay we must be very careful no kay when using them before buying or using any consumer products such as food, clothing, medicine, cleaning products, soap, and shampoo, insect repelling, or pesticide. Always find out if it is the best for the purpose you need. So before ta magpalit og kanang or use the things like food, cloth, medicine, soap, shampoo, or insect spray. Make sure they are safe and fit for your needs. So now let's answer the question. So uh, let's read the description and answer the following list of useful materials or product. For the example, bleach. For me, bleach can be harmful for me sakwa lang example ako ni for me harmful or dangerous when mixing bleach with vinegar because it can cause or create toxic gases, and also can cause kana bitong maglisod kag ginhawa or even can cause of death. So that's all, and thank you.